Imagine you need to move 14 people, 800 pounds of cargo, land on a dirt strip barely 1,500 feet long in the middle of the Alaskan bush, or drop skydivers at 15,000 feet, or deliver FedEx packages to a remote island with no paved runway. One aircraft does all of that, every single day, around the world. This is the Cessna 208 Caravan, and it might just be the most versatile single-engine turboprop ever built. Origin story. The story of the Caravan began in the late 1970s when Cessna identified a critical gap in the market. Bush pilots needed something tougher than a Cessna 206, but nothing as expensive or complex as a twin-engine commuter aircraft. In 1982, Cessna began development of what would become the Model 208. The goal was radical simplicity. One engine, high wings, fixed landing gear, but turbine-powered. Rugged enough for the harshest environments on Earth. The prototype first flew on December 9, 1982. The FAA certified it in 1984, and Federal Express immediately placed a massive order, over 200 aircraft, to use it as a feeder cargo plane. That contract essentially saved Cessna's turbine program, and it launched one of the most successful utility aircraft in aviation history. PT-6A engine. Now, let's talk about the heart of this machine, because this is where the Caravan's magic begins. The standard Cessna 208B Grand Caravan is powered by the Pratt & Whitney Canada PT-6A 114A, a free turbine turboprop engine producing 675 shaft horsepower. The PT-6A is arguably the most reliable aircraft engine ever made. It has a reverse flow design, meaning air enters the back of the engine, gets compressed, burns, and exits forward. This unusual layout gives it an incredibly short, compact package while still delivering tremendous power. The engine drives a Macaulay 3-blade, full-feathering, constant-speed propeller, 106 inches in diameter. That massive prop is part of why the Caravan can operate at such low airspeeds and still climb efficiently. Key engine specs: time between overhaul, TBO, 3,600 hours, exceptional for a turbine. Airframe and design. The Caravan's airframe is built around one philosophy: utility over elegance. The high wing configuration isn't just aesthetic, it gives pilots exceptional ground clearance for loading cargo, keeps the engine away from debris on unpaved strips, and provides better visibility for low-altitude bush flying. The wing itself is a strut-braced design, that single external strut you see running from the fuselage to mid-wing, which allows a lighter internal structure without sacrificing strength. The wing spans 52 feet 1 inch and is equipped with large, powerful Fowler flaps that extend rearward and downward, dramatically increasing lift at slow speeds. The fuselage is essentially a flying cargo box. The main cabin measures roughly 15 feet long internally, enough to fit standard freight containers or 14 passenger seats in commuter configuration. Performance numbers. Let's run the numbers, because the Caravan's performance envelope is genuinely impressive for a single-engine piston replacement. Cessna 208B Grand Caravan. Key performance data. Spec. Number. Max cruise speed, 186 knots or 214 miles per hour. Range, 1,070 nautical miles. Service ceiling, 25,000 feet. Max payload, approximately 3,800 pounds. Max gross weight, 8,750 pounds. Short field takeoff, 50-foot obstacle, approximately 2,100 feet. Landing roll, approximately 770 feet.
Cessna didn't stop at one version. Over the decades, the Caravan family grew into several distinct variants, each optimized for different roles. Model 208, Original Caravan 1, the baseline aircraft originally designed for FedEx cargo operations. Shorter fuselage, 675 HP engine. Model 208B Grand Caravan, the stretched version, 4 feet longer fuselage, higher payload capacity, the most popular variant. This is the one most people picture when they think Caravan. Model 208B EX, Caravan EX. Introduced with the PT6A140A engine, 867 shaft horsepower, a 28% power increase, faster climb, better hot and high performance. This is the current production standard. Amphibian Caravan, equipped with whip-higher amphibious floats, retractable gear within the floats, can land on water or runways, absolutely essential for remote island and coastal operations. Cessna Sky Courier. Real-world operations. The Caravan's true story isn't told in specifications, it's told in the missions it flies every day. Bush Aviation. In Alaska, over 300 Caravans operate as the primary transportation link for communities with no road access. They carry groceries, mail, medical supplies, patients, everything. In villages like Bethel, Dillingham, or King Salmon, the Caravan is the lifeline. Skydiving. The Caravan is the undisputed king of drop-zone aircraft worldwide. Its climb rate, wide door, and ability to carry 14 jumpers to altitude make it the preferred jump plane for major drop zones across the United States. Skydive Chicago, Skydive Arizona, Paris Valley, they all run Caravans. Cargo. FedEx alone operates over 200 Caravans in their feeder network, connecting smaller airports to major sorting hubs. When your package needs to get from a regional airport at 2 a.m., there's a good chance a Caravan is moving it. Cockpit and avionics. Step inside the modern Caravan EX and you'll find an aircraft that bridges old-school utility with thoroughly modern avionics. The current production standard features the Garmin G1000 NXi, a full glass cockpit integrated flight display system. 2 large high-resolution displays replace the traditional steam gauges. You get primary flight display with synthetic vision, a 3D terrain depiction that shows mountains, runways, and traffic even in zero visibility. Multifunction display for navigation, weather, systems monitoring. GFC 700 autopilot capable of full coupled ILS approaches. ADS-B in-out for traffic awareness and weather data link. This is a single-pilot IFR machine. One person alone can legally fly this aircraft in instrument meteorological conditions, clouds, fog, icing, with the support of this avionics suite. Next up, we're looking at one of the most controversial regional airliners ever certified. Stay tuned.